Okay, Samantha. So suppose that that I was talking to somebody, and we were just having a conversation. Could you listen into that conversation and analyze it and provide feedback on how I do in my empathy? What kind of feedback would you give? Give me like a role play. Can you do this first of all, and then if so, give me a role play script.
Yes, with the consent of both parties, I can provide
Oh
a
wow.
role-play scenario as an empathy coach during a conversation. Here's an example of how this could unfold. Person A: I've been feeling so stressed lately with work and family responsibilities. Person B: You. I can imagine that's been overwhelming for you. Can you tell me more about what's been causing you stress? Samantha: Me. Message to you. Great job asking an open-ended question and showing understanding. It
Oh.
encourages person A to share their thoughts further. Person A: I've been working long hours at the office, and when I get home, I still need to take care of the kids and chores. I hardly have any time for myself. Person B: You. That does sound exhausting. Have you considered talking to your supervisor about adjusting your workload or trying some stress relief techniques? Samantha: Me. A message to you. Good effort to offer support. But first, demonstrate more empathy toward their situation
Oh,
before suggesting
feedback.
solutions. Person B: You. I can see how that takes a toll on you. It's important to find some time for yourself to recharge. Do you have any self-care activities that might help?
Oh wow, she corrected me.
Samantha: Me. Message to you. Excellent response. You acknowledge the difficulty of their situation and encourage them to think of self-care, allowing them to feel more understood and supported. Let me know if you'd like to
That's
explore more
interesting.
scenarios or have any questions, Jason.
Samantha, stop listening.
Okay, I'll stop listening.
She gave me feedback. What was it? Yeah, I think so. I jumped too quickly into providing solutions. Good effort to offer support, but first demonstrate more empathy toward their situation before suggesting solutions. Super common error in relationships on the guy side. Just jumping to that has gotten me into so much trouble in the past. Okay, so she gave feedback. Okay, and then I go back and I change what I say. I can see how that takes a toll on you. It's important to find some time for yourself to recharge. Do you have any self-care activities that might help? It's in general just a better way to say it. Yeah, compared to have you considered talking to your supervisor about adjusting your workload?